AEROPAK Multi-Purpose Foamy Cleaner is a specially formulated biological foaming agent. Alkaline cleaners provide powerful cleaning performance, especially effective on grease, protein-based stains, organic residues, and more. Shake the can well before use and spray directly onto the surface from 20 to 30 centimeters away. It produces a rich foam and has a lemon scent. Allowing the foam to penetrate and begin to soak into the surface. Simply wipe clean with a soft cloth. This product comes with a brush-equipped cap, making it easier to clean stubborn stains. It offers strong cleaning power and is suitable for a wide range of stains. Discover more uses for AEROPAK Multi-Purpose Foamy Cleaner and unlock its full potential.